Hello everyone, welcome to this Customify demo. Today we're going to see how to install Customify and use it to customize our various Shopify products. So first what we want to do is click on installation here, and we can find a video on how to do it, but simply we want to click install to add all the necessary files to our themes. So we'll just click install and allow those files to install so we can start customizing our products. It'll say now you can start creating a custom product, which you can go ahead and do so here, or you can go ahead and click on create product. Once you do that, you'll see simple custom products or custom products with Shopify variants. What you want to do, or you can do, is choose them from a template, and we can see different products that we can choose here, such as jewelry. We can go ahead and do apparel, things like that. And then after we find something we like, we can simply go ahead, click on create. We can give it a product title and description if we want, and simply create product. And after our product is created, what we can do is go to our home page and see what it looks like and verify that Customify is working. Here I can see the various products in my store right here, and I can go ahead and click on them. Now how you know Customify is working is that you can see the Customize button right here. So make sure that you can see that when you're taking a look at this, as this will verify the functionality of everything. So now we can go ahead and customize it. Once I click on Customize, I'll be able to customize everything about it. I'll be able to add things like text, information, images, and such. So here we have multiple options to customize, so let's go through them. First, I can go ahead and change the color. So I can pick what color t-shirt I want. I can also change the quantity and put a note here as well before I add it to cart. And then here we can go ahead and add an image. I can do that locally from my computer, drop images, or I can select a design. So I'm going to go ahead and select a image from my computer just to show you. And here I can take the image, I can make it bigger, smaller. There's styling here where I can make it less or more transparent. I can play with the image effects here as well. And what's cool is I can go ahead, transform it. I can flip it horizontal, vertical, bring it down, center it, and I can also adjust the sizing if I so choose. I can also add text. And simply I just type in the text and go ahead and add the text. Now that's a little bit hard to see, so I can come to styling here and I can play around with it, make it look better. And if I still want to, I can change the font as well. So now we can see that I have my text, an image. We can see the various layers here that I've added from my image to my text. And once I'm done with the product, I can go ahead, save it. All I have to do is put my email here, log in, and I'm good to go. Also, if there's something I did that I wanted to change, I can simply undo it from here. I can print this out. I can even turn grid mode on or off while doing my various edits. I can preview it in a lightbox as well, download it locally, and I can go ahead and add a QR code. Or if I've made too many mistakes, or if I want to change something, I can simply go ahead and reset it. And that is how easy it is to customize various items with Customify. It makes the process simple, easy, and quick. But if you have any questions, definitely be sure, don't hesitate to contact Customify support team whenever you need help. And thank you for using Customify.